Hi everyone, this is Teacher Rathel, and today I will be discussing percentile rank, its definition, interpretation, and steps on how to solve it. Percentile rank is the point in the distribution below which a given percentage of scores fall. It is the percent of the population that achieved less than the given score. For example, a score 75 has a percentile rank of 60. This means that 60% of the scores fall below the score 75. So what are the steps in solving for percentile rank of ungrouped data? Step 1, analyze the given set of scores and identify what is being asked. For example, we have to solve for the percentile rank of the score 18 in this given set of scores. 20, 8, 7, 15, 5, 10, 18, and 25. Step 2, arrange the data or scores in ascending order, from lowest to highest. So we have the scores 5, 7, 8, 10, 15, 18, 20, and 25. Step 3, solve for the percentile rank of the score 18 using the following formula. Percentile rank of a score is equal to cumulative frequency plus 0.5, which is multiplied to the frequency, all over n, which is the number of scores, times 100. The CF, or the cumulative frequency, tells us how many scores are lower than the score whose percentile rank is being solved. 0.5 and 100 are constants. The F, or the frequency, tells us how many times did the score occur, and the N is the total number of scores. Step 4, we substitute the values in the formula. Now, we look for the cumulative frequency. How many scores are lower than the score 18, since we are looking for the percentile rank of the score 18? So we have the scores 5, 7, 8, 10, and 15. These scores are lower than 18. So our cumulative frequency is 5 because there are 5 scores below the score 18. Now we solve, or we look for the frequency, or how many times did the score 18 occur? The score 18 occurred only once. So the frequency will be 1. And there are 8 scores in the distribution, or the given set of data. So the N will be 8. So step 5 is to solve after substitution. So cumulative frequency is 5, the frequency is 1, the N is 8, and the 0.5 and 100 are constants. So in solving for the percentile rank of 18, we have this solution. 5 plus 0.5, which is multiplied to 1, all over 8 times 100. 0.5 times 1 is equal to 0.5. So 5 plus 0.5 divided by 8 times 100 is equal to 5.5 divided by 8 times 100. And to further solve it, 5.5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.69. Times 100 is equal to 69. So the percentile rank of 18 is 69. When interpreted, we can say that the student who scored 18 in the given test did better than 69% of the class. And that ends our discussion on percentile rank. And here are the references used in this video. Thank you for watching and hope this video helps. Stay safe and healthy always, and see you in my next videos.